What is going on, you guys? Johnny Biggs of ToyShopFab here, letting you know a new video of my 1959 GMC pickup truck named Corn Cob just uploaded on the ToyShopFab YouTube channel. I put a shifter in this thing, take it out on the street, do a couple of test laps to the lake and back. And yes, if you are wondering, it will do a burnout. So hit that link in my bio. Check out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the ToyShopFab YouTube channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you again for helping me grow.